Meanwhile, All Manipur Petroleum Product Transport Association Amptpta has appealed to the people to refrain from panic buying of petroleum products, informing that there are enough stock at Malom Petroleum Depot. All Manipur Petroleum Product Transport Association President Ahung Sangbam Tampayai was addressing the media after meeting with the Chief Minister in connection with the ambush on petroleum tankers along NH37. Tampayai said the Chief Minister has assured that the transporter body to constitute an inquiry and take punitive action against the perpetrators responsible for the attack. Terming the trend of panic buying as unproductive move, Tampayai said stocking petroleum products at home can be hazardous. He clarified that the injured drivers are undergoing treatment and out of danger. The President said that the transporters had given its assurance to the Chief Minister to resume their operations once enough security arrangement is made.
Thầu marang kai ne le gas su le thầu su le masida kai ta pakatana kiu le pi gano kiu do ta eni hau mi nau to ga lotion bi ko crp gi strength khara rop khara marak ta gap legi ba adu khudong cha ba lor ga sing yam sange ba security na coverage to ngam de ba rop na ko akoi na hanjan na hai ra le ni rop ji fajana marang kai ra ga di kanam ta ne bus to ngam moi ba adu bo moi na khudong cha bi lor election gi propaganda da to ra ga Thawai Kubak ta hapaga land mark sida akoi mayam je masa masu digi akoi lairi ba lengi pai Manipur da motor chali ma mayam je makoi thawai ni angang ni na puraga akoi hali ni kari gi da mo ki lepino thaw phang da bi na tro adu na yar ga di mase awon bi da ba sarkar gi mai gai de ju security je yamna secure oi ba yamna safety oi ba major local piraga rop full orga security patna pubiro akoi gari driver sing je thong na ba du akoi motivation to ge